Hey, what's up, my fam? It's your favorite monkey vlogger back at it again, and today we're going shopping in Kohima.
Wow. Every year it's the same story. Who's responsible for this mess? Is it the authorities?
Pork meat ko tayo pabo.
BOC market tayo pabo de.
Where can I get second-hand jacket in Kohima?
Kohima Trade Center de Pabo.
Second-hand jacket ko tayo pabo Kohima tayo.
Kohima Trade Center tayo pabo.
Where can I get modu in Kohima?
Rasta kinarte available ase.
Can you give me directions to War Cemetery?
Sida jaina left lobby.
Where can I get bamboo shoot and akhuni around here?
You'll find them at BOC Market.
Alright, my awesome fam, that's a wrap for today's adventure at Kohima Street. You guys are the real MVPs. Signing off, see ya.